The dream of getting back to sports after knee ligament injury. Every athlete who suffers from knee injury or a ligament injury asks these questions: how fast and how good I'll be in getting back to my sports activities. Knee ligament injury is one of the commonest sports injuries in the world. Knee ligament such as anterior cruciate ligament, posterior cruciate ligament, medial collateral ligament, and other lateral ligaments can get injured in sports such as football, hockey, baseball, basketball, and any other sports. After repair and reconstruction of these ligaments in expert hand, proper physiotherapy protocols are there. If an athlete follows these proper physiotherapy protocols, there is high chance that the player can get back to competitive level and he can perform as well as before his injury in approximately 6 to 9 months. So a perfect knee ligament reconstruction is required along with long, arduous and very directed physiotherapy to have a good recovery from ligament injury in a knee. So yes, you can get back into sports, competitive sports after knee ligament injury under expert guidance. Thank you.